Hi there and welcome back. If you're new, then welcome aboard. This is an unboxing for your creative studio. I think this is November box. So but this is just really for you to see the kinds of things that you get in the boxes. They've normally got a theme, and they're normally full of yummy things. So pop that down on the floor. So the lovely Amanda contacted me to see if I wanted to do another unboxing, and she told me it was blue flowers, and yeah, blue flowers are right up my street. So that's the pretty card. I always back that and use it as a little journaling card because they're always very pretty. So let's have a look. If you've not seen these before, Amanda does create half of this herself. So these ones are her designs. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm so excited. There's always really fun things. So I've not seen those before, or that. Oh, that is mega. I can't wait to look at that. So that will be Amanda's look. So I'll put those together. So these always go together, which is lovely because you can always make something. Oh, look at these stickers. Very nice. And these are her own stamps, and then a washi. So I'm just going to put those to one side, and we'll have a look at these first. So obviously, you know, these are other things that she pops in. So this says it's 3 designs, 4 sheets. These are really nice colours. So that's the backing, which will go in my Trash Tuesday, which is absolutely overflowing. So these are really pretty washi stickers. So I've got the beautiful forget-me-nots and the lilacs. I think these are like clovers. Got some holly, some white roses. That would have been very nice for the Alice kit. And some violets. Love this one on the edge. So we've got 1, 2. Oh, are they thicker? That one's not, but that one is, look. Oh, and then 2 half ones. Well, that's lovely. Oh no, they're little squares. I think they're little squares. Yeah. Yeah, so there's four squares. I shall have to I mean, these are brilliant for just down the edges of your journals. Yeah, like those. So that's those pretties. Let's have a look at this. I'm guessing it's just an empty tin for you to put your look at that. Put your goodies in. Oh, how cute. Oh, I love it. Oh gosh, that's great. So I'm going to keep that on my desk. How cute is that? Oh, super. Right, let's have a look at these. These are obviously them little papers. So there's 50 of them, 10 of each sort. I love these to pop in collage and things. So we've got that one. Oh, that one. So these are quite Tim Holtzy. I love that. Yeah, all stamps. Yeah, I really like these. Oh, that's nice. There's more than 5 designs. Yeah, I don't know. There's lots anyway. there's lots. Yeah, love those. So I'll probably put those in my collage box. And this says black and white plant small bean series. So I don't know how many is in here. Sometimes I can see it clearly and then other times I can't. So a lot. Shall we go with a lot? Ooh. Now I am saving things for a black and white project. So these ones are on vellum, the first ones. And then we've got the paper ones behind. So they're all the same. Well, not all the same. I mean, the same as what you get in the vellum. So yeah, they'll be brilliant for my black and white stuff. Super. Love that. And I'm guessing this is all little labels. It's quite heavy, this. It's called a sticker brick. I don't know if it says 150. Let's have a look if I can get in it. Ooh. Oh, so they're all round ones. We've got the red ones, the blue ones, and the green ones. Now, last time I had these, it wasn't circular. I tea stained them, and they were still fine. The stickiness was still fine, and I normally put some glue on them anyway. So I will tea stain those because they're a little bit white for me. So yeah, it makes a change getting some circles in the sticker packs. So let's get rid of this crinkly paper and we'll have a look at Amanda's blue flowers. So I'm guessing these are papers. Ooh, that's really textured and really thick. I'd say that's about 220 GSM. So it's like a purpley blue and a grey. That's lovely. Yeah, it's got, yeah, because if this was November, it's got snowflakes. That's pretty. Yeah, very nice. So there's, I think 5. Yeah, 5 sheets of that. So that's those. And then got this, which looks like a notepad. Yep. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to say I like to save those. They make good tags when you just cover them over. This feels lovely. Yeah, it's really textured. So these are like note papers, which you could back these and make journal cards. Could be a band, could be a pocket. Yeah, they're really nice. I think I will probably save these until next winter because they have all got a snowflake on them. Yeah, beautiful. So that's those ones. And then we've got some sticky notes, which are handy in a journal because obviously you can just pull from them. Nice shape. And so the not all the time, but there are sticky notes in it quite a lot. and they're always different shapes. So that's that one, and you get loads in there. That's a lovely blue. And I've got these tabs. I've never known I do tabs, so hopefully these will be nice and be in the card. Oh, and they are. Oh, these are lovely. Nice shape as well. Yeah, I love it with the little label on them. Yeah, they're very nice. I think like the grey things, I could probably use those now. There's not snowflakes in that one. So I'll have to go through them and pull the grey stuff out, 'cause I'll probably use that with Tim Holt stuff. And I've just done a grey project. And they're the lovely stamps. There's always stickers, sorry. There's always some stickers in. And so we've got these beautiful stamps. Now, I like to open these careful, because again, these go in my Trash Tuesday. I thought I was on top of my Trash Tuesday stuff, but I found another folder full of stuff. Oh, look at that. So there's like a little letter there. I think that's upside down, yeah. And then this beautiful arrangement. There's a fern there. A fern. Yeah, that's pretty. And they always stamp very, very nice. There's a lot of detail in them. Yeah, she does have nice nice stamps. I'm going to fold that down rather than rip it off, because I'd started to rip it. And another one. So there's always stamps in. Sometimes, you know, there's like 2 big ones, or there's I mean, sometimes there's been about 4 or 5 in. Oh, look at that. So I mean, that would be beautiful, say on an envelope. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it's got holly. I suppose these are like the Christmas roses. Yeah, very nice. So that is those. And then some matching washi tape. Ooh. Oh, beautiful. So let's have a look. Ooh. So that's very nice. It's very grey, and then purples and blues. I'm going to stick that to the side so I can use that. I must have pulled it funny, because it is really decent washi. It's quite thick, and it's got a really good stick on it. Oh, don't know what that was that fell down. So that's the washi. I love that. So again, a lovely box. Yeah, I mean, if you'd have got, you know, this in November, when it would have been sent out to the subscription people, it would have been a lovely one to have to make something nice. So I am going to put those away, and they will come out in the winter. And yeah, these are fine to play with now. Yeah, they're lovely. So that is that. I will leave Amanda's link down below. I know sometimes she sells older boxes, and she had started doing some stamps and things. So you might want to have a look. Right, so thank you for joining me, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.